Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a midweek haul. I did a little bit of magic over at Walgreens curbside deal and I did some stuff in store. I'm shocked that summer stuff is still being found, but I found some stuff. And then Rite Aid is absolutely fantastic this week as well. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it would mean the world to me. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, if you could subscribe, I would be so grateful. So take a quick second, like and subscribe, and thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, so the first deal that we're doing is with these two boosters, 5 back when you spend 20 and then 20 back when you spend 60. This is a curbside offer, and yes, these two do in fact stack. So the one item I wanted to grab this week was the $79.99 Oral-B IO brush. It's usually like $100, so very expensive. So I put one of those in my basket, and I'm doing this through my cell phone, ordering this stuff, and then I'm driving to the store and getting it. That's what curbside is. Now, my card had this digital coupon, which is a $20 off of one of these brushes. Not everybody receives it. It says only for you, so it's based on past purchases. So looking at the overall summary, $79.99. I also used a promotion code WAG10. I got $6 off. Curbside pickup is free. $20 digital melting off right there. So with my debit card, I paid $58.43, and then I got back $40 in Walgreens cash. If we're not considering the tax, this is basically like $13.99 for a brush that's just under $100. So this is going to make a really fantastic Christmas gift. Second deal that I would recommend that you do this week is with the All Packs or the liquid detergent, I believe. It is $4.99. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off, so please make sure you have it loaded. So usually this is like, I think just under $8 now. It's really expensive, but this week they're on sale for $4.99. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $3.99. IBOTTA has a $2 rebate. So the final price point here is $1.99 for these packs of the scent-free pods, if that's your thing. It certainly is in our household. And then I'm just going to show you my IBOTTA. It's the bottom one. It's $2 back. So definitely, if you're an IBOTTA user and this is your thing, it's fantastic to pay $1.99 for a bag of all pods. Now, also I have a $3 raid and a $3 off, and I got them times 2, so I got $12 back for those two with the IBOTTA app, and it's going into the next deal. So all of these products are $1.99, so it's still part of summer clearance, the raid and the off, and they had $3 rebates through IBOTTA, so that's fantastic. I love that app. So I also had a 3 off 2 digital for one of these products. I don't know which one, but it came off. So grabbing 5 of them at $1.99, it was $9.95. Subtracting that digital, I paid $6.95. I basically rolled some Walgreens cash, and IBOTTA gave me $3 times 4, so I got $12 back, making it free plus a $5.05 money maker. So if you find these products, ask for a price check. You might be surprised what they're ringing up for. And if you have the same IBOTTA rebate, I mean, I would get them for next summer. Another fantastic deal is the buy one, get 2 for free on the Complete Home medium or small trash bags. So it shakes it out to $1.66. There is no other store that sells these bags that cheap, so stock up this week, guys. First time I've seen that promotion. And then also I love this, which is the Dawn dish soap. You're going to grab 2 of these little cuties. They are priced at $1.24 a pop. So 2 of them is $2.48. You're going to get back $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. 1 register reward will print per transaction. So say you wanted to do this deal twice, you'd have to break it up into 2 transactions, and you cannot roll your register reward, or a second one will not print. But here it is, $1 register reward. It doesn't get any better than that. Now in the store, I was looking to possibly grab 3 of these Bueno with that 3 off 2 digital. However, I looked at the expiry date, and they're expiring in I think October. So if I was going to put these in Christmas stockings, I'd be putting some expired candy. We don't eat candy in our household, so I just passed on it. But possibly grabbing 3 of those. The digital is still attaching, so yeah, what a deal. A little bit more clearance candy. This is $2.99 down to 75 cents. For a single bar of candy, $2.99. I don't know. Is that like a king size? It just seemed rather expensive to me. If you love this, be on the lookout. It's probably going to drop more in a bit, but 75 cents. And then I posted a video yesterday to get some cheap paper via the curbside over at Walgreens. If you are in need to stock up on some paper, check out this video. I will link it at the very end of this video, but lots of great information on how to get this paper on the cheap. Okay, guys, so now we're headed over to Rite Aid for this next deal. If you go to your desktop computer where you sign in, there is a thing to complete your account. So if you do your RXs through Rite Aid prescriptions and you put in your credit card information and all the rest of your shipping info and all that stuff, you potentially could get 10 extra bucks in bonus cash. I know a lot of us are like, I like my privacy. So this is probably not for everybody. But if you do all of your prescriptions through them, I mean, just complete it and you're going to get 10 extra dollars over at Rite Aid. Okay, so the first deal that I did over at Rite Aid is $15 of bonus cash when you spend $50. There's a website, social media, flyer, app. There's a whole bunch of different ones of these. If you go on Instagram, you probably can track them down. I'm just going to post this first one, but you can only use this once per transaction or once per store card. So yeah, just be mindful of that. And there's many influencers. I think Real Deals here on YouTube posted on her community tab. Go and check that out. She usually posts both the 5 off 25s and then all of the 15 backs when you spend 50. So go check her page out. So for the first basket, I grabbed 2 of the Kleenexes. They're on a promotion of buy 2, get $3 back in bonus cash. And then 2 of the laundry care products, and it's buy 30, get back 10. And then I got exactly a $50 basket because that one small Kleenex is a filler item. Just to show you some of the tags in the store, this is for the Kleenex, $8.99. When you buy 2, you get $3 back. I just needed these bundle packs of Kleenex, so that's what I grabbed. And then the Gain is $15.99. Original price is $21.99. Man, that is expensive. We have a $3 digital for this guy. And then for the $15.99 Unstoppables, we also have another $3 for that one. And it's on the promotion of spend 30, get back 10. So I was trying to go with items that would do really well with the bonus cash challenges. So that was the thought. So 2 of the Kleenexes for $17.98, a $1 filler item for $1, and then 1 Gain, 1 Downy Beads for $31.98 for my total of $50.96. Got the cashier to scan the 15 back when you spend 50, and then I had 2 5 off 25s. She scanned off my phone. Again, check Real Deals page for that. And then I had $6 of digital manufacturers melting off, 3 for the Gain Liquid, and 3 for the Downy Beads. So that's $16 altogether with the 2 5 off 25s and the 2 digital coupons. So either pay or roll some bonus cash, and then I got back $28, which wasn't bad. Now, I had bonus cash challenges. I had a spend 60, get back 11 for the Gain, so I was getting close to that for this one. And I did a second transaction that I actually was awarded this, and then the second reward was the soft soap. I think it was to spend like 30 to get back 5, and I had done that a little bit last week and then this week on the same store card, so I was like close to getting my $6 back, so not the worst deal. And my second transaction, I grabbed 4 of the soft soaps that are on a promotion this week of buy 2 get 5 back, and then 2 more Gain products. I had only $1 digital for the soft soap and then a $3 for the Gain Fling. Sorry, this is a really bad photo too, but this is what we have. And the detergent deal you can do twice per store card, so I was going to get another 10 back when I spent 30 on the 2 Gain products as well. And for the soft soap, just to show you, they're $4.99, $5 in bonus cash when you buy 2. Apologies in advance if I ever call it Walgreens cash. I think you know what store I'm at most of the time, so I get a bit confused when I'm making these videos. So just looking at the second basket, and I used an email 15 back when you spend 50. So 2 of the Gain products, a detergent and the flings for $31.98, and then 4 of the soft soap body washes at $4.99 a pop is $19.96 for a total of $51.92. Got the cashier to scan the 15 back when you spend 50, along with the 2 5 off 25s. I had $4 in digitals, a $3 for the fling and a $1 for the soft soap. I paid $37.92. I basically rolled some bonus cash, and then I got $35 back. And then I also got $17 back the following day, which I will get at the end of October for my bonus cash challenges. So I completed both the gain and the soft soap this week. So I am very delighted with that. So good luck with this, and we will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.